In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your spark plugs on your Cadillac ATS. It's located on top of the engine. Using a T30, we're going to remove this bolt here. Now you're going to remove your oil cap. And you're going to lift up and remove this. If yours is stuck due to heat, it just slides in with these two rubber pieces and just ease it out. We're going to remove our plastic grommets, this one here. We have to remove this and this one to remove this carpet or padding. Just make sure that's secure if you're going to leave it in. And now we're going to go for these two bolts here. They're 10 millimeter. I'm going to use a 10 millimeter socket, and we're going to remove these two bolts. That's going to remove the plastic piece below so we can get to this bolt for the coil. Set that aside, pull back on this red tab. You can use a flathead screwdriver if it doesn't undo on its own. Once you pull out this red tab, you're going to push down on this black piece and unplug the connector. Next, we're going to use a 10 millimeter socket and remove this bolt. Remove the bolt, and now we can pull off the coil. Get it past that weather stripping and put it off to the side. I'm using a 5/8 spark plug socket with an extension, and we're going to go down, feel for the spark plug, make sure it's lined up well, and remove it. All right, there's your spark plug. Now we're going to install our spark plug. You're going to feed it down, wait till you feel like it's making contact, and start threading it in. Tighten it down and torque it to 15 foot-pounds. You can remove your tool and put your coil back. Make sure you put some dielectric grease on the very end here. And you're going to have to wiggle it past this part of the car. Line it up and push down. You can start your bolt. Now we're going to tighten this down. I'd go about wrist tight. Let's torque this to 89 inch-pounds. And now we can plug in our connector. Lock it in. The process is the same for the rest. Now we're going to put our bracket on. There's an arrow that says pointing to the front. Make sure you have it oriented correctly. Get your bolts started. Tighten those to 89 inch-pounds. Let's put our plastic grommets in here and secure the padding. Just push in. Now we're going to install our engine cover. Make sure you put those two rubber pieces in the slots and then push it forward. line up your oil cap. And it should just slide in. Fasten your oil cap and grab your bolt and install it. And tighten this one down. Snug it up, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.